Make your own autumn stamps. You'll need craft foam, tempera paint, paper, a sharp pencil, a paintbrush, scissors, water, and paper towels. Take your sharp pencil and simply draw a leaf. Some craft foam is thicker than others. If yours is thin, make sure you don't press so hard that you go all the way through. If it's thicker, you can press harder. Now I'm just going to draw some simple lines to make it look like a leaf. With the more complicated maple leaf, I traced it and then put it over the craft foam. And because it's more complicated, it was harder to just use the pencil to go through the paper. So what I did was poked holes along the lines. Then I can join them later. Now I'm just going to connect the dots. And this is what it looks like when it's done. And now I'll do a simple acorn. Like before, I poked holes and then I'll connect the dots when I'm finished. You don't always have to be realistic. Here's one I did that's a little bit more stylized. When you're finished carving your foam, it's time to add the paint. Just put a very light layer across one of your images. Then take a piece of paper and place it over the foam and just lightly rub where the carving is. It might take a few tries before you get the effect that you want. Now just do the same thing with your other stamps. You can experiment with different colors and different amounts of paint. Try layering 2 different colors with the same stamp. Try lightly brushing over the spaces where you want to try another color. When you're finished, you'll have a collection that you can display in a variety of ways. Cut them out and make place cards, decorations, or just spread them around your Thanksgiving table. And don't forget, your stamps can be washed and used over and over again. Have fun creating!